Okay, in this date syrup recipe, I used 1 cup of dates. So I poured the date into a bowl of clean water and washed it thoroughly. After washing the date, I used a pestle to break up the date so as to release the seed. Okay, you discard the seed from the date fruit while you soak the date fruit that is already in pieces form in a bowl of water. Then blend everything together. So once you're done blending or grinding it in a blender, you filter out the water. So this water that has been filtered out will be cooked until it thickens to form a syrup. Just put an eye there so it won't burn while stirring continuously. Now we have our syrup. Once it's cooled, it thickens a little bit more. And then we also have our chaff that came out during the filtration. It's a sugar substitute that can be used for tea, for pap. Thanks a lot for watching.